Forestry isn't just about cutting trees. It's about mastering the land with some of the most powerful and precise machines ever built. From high-powered skidders and harvesters to industrial-grade chainsaws and stump removers, today's lineup is packed with heavy-duty legends. You'll see machines that grip, cut, split, and haul with unstoppable force. Whether it's navigating steep slopes or tearing through massive tree trunks, these beasts are built to perform under extreme pressure. Get ready to witness the raw power behind modern forestry. You won't believe what these machines can do. First up, we have the Quadco QB 3500 bar saw mounted on the TimberPro TL755D. This beast runs on a 35 horsepower engine and comes with a massive 36-inch cutting bar. Designed for maximum precision, it's perfect for heavy-duty forestry work, slicing through trees with ease and accuracy. Next, we've got the rugged Caterpillar 527 skidder. It packs a powerful 173 horsepower engine and weighs in at around 23,000 pounds. Built for tough terrain, it comes with a strong grapple system to handle logs with confidence and efficiency. Designed specifically for steep slopes, the TigerCat LSX 870D is no ordinary machine. With a 270 horsepower engine and weighing around 3,895 pounds, this harvester glides over difficult terrain while hauling heavy logs with its powerful grapple system. This 255 horsepower hydraulic skidder from Summit Attachments is built for the big leagues. It's designed for hauling timber on steep slopes with a durable hydraulic system that ensures efficient wood transport for massive forestry operations. TigerCat 724 GWH Feller Buncher. The TigerCat 724 GWH is a true harvesting powerhouse. With a 300 horsepower engine and large wheel system, it can cut trees up to 50 centimeters thick with ease, ensuring high productivity and durability even in harsh working conditions. Grunofelt Strand Killer 1270 Stump Shear. Meet the Stump Eliminator, the Grunofelt Strand Killer 1270. With 250 horsepower and the ability to slice through stumps up to 1.2 meters wide, this machine uses intense blade pressure to clear land fast in both forestry and construction zones. The Cat 545C is a dual-arch grapple skidder built to drag massive logs, up to 90 centimeters in diameter. With 190 horsepower under the hood and a tough-as-nails grapple system, it handles rough terrain like it's nothing. The Uniferous Titan 534th is your go-to for large-scale wood processing. It cuts and splits logs up to 40 centimeters in diameter and features an automatic sorting system to keep things moving smoothly and efficiently. Tapio Harvester. Equipped with a 120 horsepower engine, the Tapio Harvester makes cutting timber up to 60 centimeters thick look easy. It's designed to boost performance in even the most demanding forestry environments. LKT-81 Skidder. With a 180 horsepower engine, the LKT-81 skidder can haul up to 17 cubic meters of timber per trip. It's a reliable workhorse built for serious hauling duties in forestry operations. The Naka 555C is another heavy hitter in the timber industry. With a 200 horsepower engine, it cuts trees up to 55 centimeters thick, operating smoothly on all terrains and maximizing productivity for large projects. These two are chainsaw royalty. The Husqvarna 572 XP boasts 5.8 horsepower and chain speeds of 20 meters per second, while the Stihl MS 462C kicks it up to 6.0 horsepower and 23 meters per second. Both are top-tier tools for high-speed, high-precision cutting. (200 HP tree stump lifting crane, removing a massive 1.5 meter tall, 1,100 pound tree stump? No problem for this 200 horsepower crane. With precise control and lifting power, it gently raises stumps without damaging nearby structures. Danuser Stump Auger. Don't let its compact size fool you. This Danuser Stump Auger runs on 75 horsepower and drills through thick roots quickly, making land clearing a breeze.